Hey guys, so I haven't done a video in a long time, and I haven't done like a fun beauty type video in even longer, because mostly I just do like hair touch-up videos and red hair videos and stuff like that. So yeah, so let's just move on with the haul. And this is high-end and drugstore products, so there's a little bit of everything for everyone. And just know that I have not bought high-end makeup since March 2012, and I checked because I mostly buy it through Sephora, and I have a Sephora account online which allows me to see my last purchase, and it was since March 2012. So it was about time that I splurged on some high-end makeup, right? So let's move on, and I'm just going to grab things from the bag because they're just in this big like MAC bag, and I have things from CVS, MAC, and Ulta. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Let's get this thing, which I already opened because of course I couldn't wait to just test it out, although I was conflicted on returning it or not. But it was the Bedhead Totally Bent 2-inch crimper, and it's just for, you know, getting those really fun like zigzag type waves in your hair that you use when you're like in middle school. But I thought I would want to do that. And the actual product actually looks like so it's just like a flat iron, but the plates are like a zigzag type pattern, so that's for crimping your hair, and it works really good. I tried it out when I got it, and I plugged it in and it heated up super fast, and the on and off settings are right on the side, and it took me forever to find them because yes, I am a little bit product deficient. So the next thing is a primer, and I got this at Ulta, and the last primer that I got was the Clarins Instant Smooth Perfecting Touch, which I've used a couple times on my videos, and I got that like a year ago in March, which was the last thing that I bought from Sephora, and it's lasted me a good deal of time. And before that I used the Smashbox, it's not photo ready, is it? I don't know, but it's like a clear silicone gel type of thing, and that was really good to me. I really liked it, but I decided to try other things, so that's why I haven't rebought it, but that one worked well for me. But the one that I got this time was the Too Faced Primed and Poreless one, which I've heard really good reviews on, and it was $30, but hopefully it is worth the money. You know, I don't mind if it's, as long as it's worth it. So it looks like a pretty good size compared to the Professional one, which was also there at Ulta, which by the way is a very exciting, happy place to be in. They just opened it by my house, and I moved from the city to the suburbs about a year ago, so roughly around the time when I started to re-upload my videos. And since I moved, there's been like the sign like coming soon, right, to Ulta. And they finally opened it up, and it was like the happiest place on earth aside from Disneyland. So if you have never been, totally go, because it's high-end and drugstore makeup mashed together in one big happy building. So awesome, totally recommend that place. Completely in love. I got at CVS, and which is the L'Oreal Sublime Bronze Luminous Bronzer Self Tanning Lotion, which is a self-tanner, and I bought because I thought it was like a body luminizer type thing, which I've been looking for because I have a photo shoot with a photographer friend, and she just wanted me to use me as her model for like a fashion shoot type thing. So I think tans and glowy legs look really good in pictures because it just makes your legs look more toned and just more healthy and glowy in general. So I got this, and I did use it even though I found out it was actually like a self-tanner. I've never self-tanned before, but I really do like the results. I'm not saying I'm going to like self-tan forever and ever now, but for pictures I definitely recommend you use self-tanner. It just makes like your arms look more toned, and everything just looks like white color. Really interesting stuff. So if you've never tried it before, go ahead and try it. I'm a horrible self-tanner, so let me just show you guys. I have like terrible streaks here, and that's how you can tell it's my first time tanning, right? But yeah, really good stuff. I like it, but then again, I've never tried self-tanners before, so I don't know how it compares to like a really good tanner, since it's my first. Okay, so next I got the Sally Hansen Airbrush Legs, which I had seen since forever. They've been out forever, since I was like in middle school, I think. I've seen these, but they were in the like earth, you know, that like spray can type thing, and I always wanted to try it. I bought it one time for like my graduation, but I returned it because it was like $15, and I was like, yeah, this is like way too much for a can of, I don't know what it is. So I returned it, but it's leg makeup, and I haven't tried it, but again, I bought this for the photo shoot. I'm going to mix this with like a body luminizer, again, to get that like really fresh, clean glow. So I'm going to try this, and I'll do a review on it on the near future. Okay, so this little thing I got from Ulta as well because it was on sale for like $4, and it's just one of those little like, you know, headband thingamajigs. I also got it for the shoot because it looks bohemian-ish to me, which is what this shoot is about. So one thing that I do like to buy at high-end brand type stores is concealers, because although I like the drugstore brightening concealers like the L'Oreal True Max that I use all the time, I haven't found one that I like to like correct and do some heavy-duty concealing. I just haven't found one that works or that I like. So yeah, so the one that I bought is a Benefit Erase Base because it really covers dark circles really well, and this is pricey. It's $26, which hurts so bad, but it really works. So I bought that one, and I've used it before, so that's something that I have repurchased. So the next thing that I got was a Revlon lipstick, and I got this at CVS, and the color is Nude Attitude, and this is from the Lustrous lip line. So, and it's just one of those like mute out your lip type concealer lipsticks, because I don't have one, not particularly that I love the color, but I just think it's important to have every color lipstick, right? Because you need it. It's a Revlon Color Stay Whip Foundation because I've been meaning to try this one. I was a big fan of the Maybelline Dream Mousse liquid foundation. Not a lot of people liked it, but I actually liked it, maybe because I don't keep my makeup on like for more than 5 or so hours, and I don't have super oily skin or anything, so I did like that one, and I thought that this was kind of very similar. And it's long wearing, but that's not really what I'm looking for in a foundation. I just want something that glides on really smoothly and just feels like nice on the face. So wanted to try this one, so I got this one from CVS, I believe. And of course I bought it with a coupon, and because they had like a $5 extra buck deal on it. So the next thing I got was the Revlon Precision, I can never say that, lash adhesive, and I got it in the color clear because they didn't have the dark. And I've been meaning to try this one because you know, I just feel like I should try a lot more brands for you guys so I could compare and see which ones work better, or if one is really better than the other, or if they're just the same. So I just got that just to try it. The next thing is the lashes, and these I actually got online a couple weeks ago. I think it was like 2 weeks ago, and I got them in the mail, and I got them on a website, so I will link to the bottom below if you love lashes and you want to get them for like a really good bargain price. And they're just Elise lashes. I got these because I was looking for some dramatic lashes, again, for the photo shoot that I'm doing with my friends. So yeah, so they're just really dramatic, really fun to wear. So the last two things that I got were from MAC, and I have a pro card from MAC, so that's the only reason that I can justify going to MAC to buy stuff. I have a MAC Fix Plus. This is the only thing that I have not found anywhere else that I really do love from MAC, and I always get the travel size. There is a bigger size, but I get this one so I can just put it in my purse and take it with me everywhere, because I really do love this stuff. It just kind of, I don't know, refreshes your makeup. Like if your makeup starts to look kind of dry and patchy and you start to get those lines under your eyes, I just kind of spray this and, you know, like just dab it back on, and it looks fresh and ready to go. So that's why I buy the travel size, but there is a full size, and I would get it if I didn't use it so often. And then I got a concealer because, again, I'm looking for like a good medium coverage concealer that's more on the thicker side of formula. And so yeah, so I just thought I would get a MAC, you know, Studio Fix one, and this is the W25, which is a little bit pink for my skin tone, but I think it works fine. So that's it. That's all I got for the haul. I also got some stuff at Victoria's Secret, but we all know what people get there. And let me tell you, they are totally worth the expensive cost. I didn't believe like all this, you know, hype on like why Victoria's Secret is so expensive. I never paid more than like $13 for stuff like that, but my sister is really into that stuff, and I was like, why do you pay so much for bras, you know? And then she's like, because they're very comfortable. And I was like, okay, you know what, I'm gonna try it. So I did. I went to get 2 bras, and they are actually very comfortable. So if you have been hesitant to splurge on yourself because you just can't justify it, you guys have to go and at least buy one just to try it out. They are very, very comfortable. And yeah, so that's all I have to say. That's all I got. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul and it wasn't too like rambly and random. So don't forget to comment on any other videos that you guys would like to see, and products that you guys think I should get, that you guys love, and I'll talk to you guys soon.